Hello there, hola, and welcome to my YouTube channel here at Benidorm and beyond. I'm an English woman who's lived right here in this tourist city for over 20 years now, and my aim is to give you a fresh and different take on all there is to see, do and enjoy in and around Benidorm, so here we go. Today I'm taking you on a walk along a section of one of Benidorm's largest and busiest avenues called Avenida de Alfonso Puigades, which is best described as being north of the centre of town and therefore an area you may not have discovered before. Full of bars, businesses and even the odd hotel, there's plenty to see, so let's get started. We began at the corner junction with Calle Islandia, where to our right you could just see the 2-star Hotel Joya, which has a nice cafe bar underneath, which anyone is welcome to use, whether they are a guest at the hotel or not. Moving on, we then cross Avenida de Andalucía, where there is currently a traffic diversion, and then we pass a Domino's pizza restaurant and takeaway, which sits underneath the showroom and premises of the Pérez Pascual car dealership. Next door is the large supermarket of Ipaber, who open from 9 AM daily and whose motto is everything cheaper, although I can't say that I've ever found this to be the case on the odd occasion that I've popped in for a quick look around.
If you want to find out about some of Benidorm's most popular hotels, then why not check out my great series of vlogs giving you an unbiased look inside and out. Just search YouTube, Fly on the Wall, followed by the name of the hotel you're looking for, and all the info will be at your fingertips. It's that simple.
Continuing along, we pass a large McDonald's restaurant and McAuto, which offers a spacious, sunny outside terrace area to eat in. It opens from 11 AM until midnight and can also cater for birthday parties and the like, which no doubt would be a great hit with the smaller members of the family. Carrying on this tree-lined road with all the foliage, we next pass a parade of shops set back a little from the pavement itself. In order, these are a dental clinic, a property management office, and the Master Keys outlet, where you can have copies of your keys reproduced for your car and home. Next door is DKV Seguros, who deal with insurance sales and claims, followed by an accountancy firm who can also sort out tax matters, and then a hairdresser's and a motorbike store called Pole Position. Moving onwards, we then pass a fertility clinic, along with a private French doctor's practice, followed by a kitchen furniture shop and another insurance office. Then, after a closed down unit, we see a vehicle parts shop, a halal butcher's, a fast food takeaway, a shop boasting that it has everything for the home, and then another car-related store, this time specialising in windows, so certainly a good assortment of necessary things for local residents, and all in one place too. Carrying on, we pass a busy cafe bar of Nuevo Milenio, meaning New Millennium, which I have stopped at in my time for a nice Spanish brekkie of white coffee and tostada con tomate, which is my favourite.
It was closed on the day I filmed.
And then we pass another row of shops, starting with a carpenter's, a self-service laundrette,
on the premises of cosmetic surgery specialists, the We Glow Clinic,
followed by a shop offering car washing services, an empty unit up for rent, and then another busy bar, this time called Bar El Aperitivo, who have a variety of snacks, drinks and tapas, as well as a menu of the day, which is currently available at the extremely reasonable price of just €11. Next along, we see the closed store of Euro Electro, who carry out electrical installations, and then another Spanish cafe bar called La Tapa, again which I can recommend for a coffee and a rest at, and then the premises of MRW, who are a package delivery and courier company. Continuing along further still, and I did tell you that this street was packed with businesses, we see the gates to residential apartment block Zurbaran 1, followed by a dental clinic and their own private parking space. We then come to the hypermarket Economy Cash, which offers underground parking, with the shop itself actually located below street level 2 and accessed by escalators or lift inside. This large store has a huge assortment of goods, including the usual produce you would expect from a large supermarket, as well as a selection of homeware and kitchen goods too. It opens Mondays to Saturdays from 9:30 until 9 in the evening. We finish our walk just opposite the 3-star Hotel Prince Park on the other side of the road. I'll see you again soon, so adios for now, and I hope to catch you again next time. Cheers!